Thank you very much for your watching My Little Life channel. In this channel, I introduce Japanese cooking in various ways. In previous video, I introduced how I cook rice and frozen it and keep it for the everyday's cooking. So today, I'm going to use those frozen rice and make 3 different fried rice. Let's get started. Firstly, prepare rice. You can use pouched ready-cooked rice or use leftover from another meal of previous day. If you keep rice frozen like me, you can use that. For defrost rice, put into the microwave 2 to 3 minutes with 500 kilowatt. And then separate a little bit before you cook. First one, simple and basic fried rice. You need egg and any kind of vegetable. I use frozen vegetable because it's so quick. And shrimp this time. You can also use diced chicken breast. Defrost frozen vegetable and shrimp by hot water. It only takes 2-3 minutes. For vegetable, I added extra corn because it seems like this packet hasn't got much corn in it, and also corn come out quite nice. Chop up shrimp into the bite size. Also prepared spring onion to give extra flavor. Before you fry egg, put 1 egg into the rice and mix it. Then add salt and pepper. This way, egg will coat every single grain of the rice and come out quite nicely. But if you want to have more chunky part of the egg, either you put more eggs like 2 or 3, or maybe you add extra egg while you are frying. Then frying, using wok or similar shape of the pan, makes things far easier. If you don't have it, you can use flat pan, but it might take longer. Use vegetable oil or sesame oil if you have to give extra flavor. And fried vegetable and shrimp. After, add rice. And constantly mix 2 to 3 minutes. As long as egg dried nicely, it's done. Add chopped spring onion. Also, add in soy sauce. Amount of the soy sauce is totally up to you. I put quite a lot because I like soy sauce taste, brown fried rice. You may also add oyster sauce. That's it. Second one, tomato and vegetable fried rice. Ingredients are onion, tomato, cheese, and then I use celery in this time. It's got strong, nice flavor. But you can literally use anything over left in your fridge. Also tomato puree. Firstly, you finely chop all the vegetables. Then again, heat up the pan and fry vegetable until it gets soft enough. After, add rice. Mix it. And then add tomato, also tomato puree. There's no exact measurement, so you just put as much or as less you want. Add cheese at the end, also pepper. Finally, I wanted to introduce Takana Churhan or Takana fried rice. Takana is one of the Japanese vegetables usually used as a pickles. I have 1 kilo of Takana back here. It's handy because I can eat with rice or just as a pickles. It goes well with sake, rice wine, or probably white wine as well. For more detail, please check my Japanese pickles video. This will be the easiest one among those three because Takana is already cooked and seasoned. So what we have to do is just mix rice, Takana, and egg in the bowl and then fry it. You can add a bit of sesame seed as well. Because Takana is already cooked, it only takes 2 to 3 minutes until egg gets solid. That's it. Here I use Japonica rice like this. If you use Indian basmati rice, Thai rice, or European rice, cooking time and outcome of the texture might be different. I hope you enjoyed the video and learning about new cooking and fried rice or churhan. If you like, please check my another videos and learn about Japanese cooking more. Also subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.